Hello guys, my name is Stuart Costa and welcome back to another video in the Python MySQL revision quiz project video series. And in the last video I left off, after a 14-minute video, didn't mean for that, I left off with a slight issue with actually selecting over here the question with just one value. I'm just one value in the where clause, and apparently the solution is, after a bit of research, in your execute, when you only have one value, you need to put a comma if you only have one value, because it's a tulip. And with that comma done over there, so you still need to have the execute query question ID in brackets, but with the little comma added at the end, we get is a lovely result back. For you save it 6. And here's the question. Ignore this is a different error. Here is the question right over here. Not really. A comma. You're going to give me a syntax error because of a comma. Okay, whatever. Now we actually want to display this nicely to the user. So let's do it over here. Let's see how should I do it. Let's do it over here. Current question. We'll just say current question. Yes, we'll put this over here. This we could do as a table, but that will require potentially having new modules using other modules. We might do that in a future video. Having different table formats and all that stuff. We might have that for a future video, but not for now. For now, we're just doing it's just a quick project we're doing over here. Later, we might do a video on that. And we want to put over here is the areas we want. Oh, not that. We want is. I just do result 0. That should work. It's over here. Current option. I'm just going to put it in brackets. It's for A. It's for option A. Put 1. And we're going to do B, C, D. And then we're going to have correct option. B, C, D. 2, 3, 4. And just going to correct option. Correct option, and yes, we'll just have correct option and we'll just put it here, 5. So if we just do this now, say to go poster, admin, say question edit question, say 3. Tulip cannot convert to string implicitly. How annoying are you? Tulips, very annoying. Fine. Be like that, yeah? Be like that. This should work. So when I say should, it means it should. Doesn't mean it always does. Right, let's try this again. So I'm going to go Costa, admin, 3, 2, 3. This is just annoying me. This is just annoying me. Okay. If I come in and say print result 0, what happens? Oh, I accidentally closed it. Not good. It's not good to accidentally close. Oh, it does that. Okay. It prints me out. Okay. I think I know. Because I said star, that's why. Okay, hold on. What if I put over here another 0? Would that get me the let's see if that gets me what I want. It doesn't. Yes. Okay. That's what I want. Okay, because I did start, the 0th is actually the first row. Duh. But I did a where. So so you tell me that the where's not working? Because I did a where. Hold on. Result. Is it because I did a fetch all? I bet it is because I did a fetch all, that's why, isn't it? The where should be working. But maybe it's because I did... Yeah. It's because I did a fetch all. Because I did a fetch all, when I do 0... when I do 0... is, there's only one element, and this one whole element, right? So in the brackets, as you can see, there's only one element, because there's no comma after these brackets over here. After these brackets, there's no comma, because there's only one element. And this whole one element is one tulip. So when I say 0, it gets the first tulip, which there's only one, because there's only one question with the same ID. Now I need to go and ask, okay, you got me the first tulip, now I want the first part of that tulip. So 0 again. That gets me the first part, which is 1, the ID. So what I want to do is I want to say 0, and then over here, what I want to say is over here 1, because I don't want the ID, I want the next one. And one over here is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I want all of these to be 0, because we want the first tulip, the only one that actually exists. The first one and the only one that exists. There we go. And there we go. Current question, option A, B, C, D, and option D is the correct. And there it is, all working nicely. Fan-freaking-tastic. Okay. So now we've got that all working nicely. So that now all appears, all of our lovely. Some of these I must have closed already. So now we need to head out is onto the edit question is where we need to now go. And yes, I'm sure we'll pass on the question ID as well to this. What we'll do is we'll come over here and we'll say, okay, so now let's go over here, edit question. I'm going to pass over here the question ID. What we want to do over here is, we don't want to clear it because we want to actually see this stuff over here. We actually want to see these questions and stuff, the existing data. But of course, what we want to do is also we want to just print this. Right? We want to then potentially, I might just say print me, then just print some lines over here, and say print again. See how that looks. What did I cancel that? What did I not do? Get all questions. Where's the get all questions? Pass. Yeah, that looks fine. That looks fine to me, yeah? Lovely. Lovely jubbly. Right, over here now we want to say over here, print input new correct data. Yeah, I'm sure we'll just leave input correct data. Yeah, I might change that to something else, but we'll leave it for now. And now we're going to ask, for the question and all that. We've done inserting, so if we just copy of it, we just actually just copy over here the insert, just this, the add question. We actually may wish to, actually we could just put that into its own function, just call it, but for now we'll just copy and paste it for now. And for now we'll just copy and paste it. It's fine. It's fine. For now we'll just copy and paste it. Because this function does slightly different to this function. Slightly different. So that's okay. So I've got that. So that means we can just copy copy this. And we want to is come over here. We want to go to the update question and say. Now this is where we want to actually update everything. So we're going to want to say over here. So we're going to want to say update, and we're going to want to say update question. Set, and we're going to say set question to equal this. Set option A to equal this, comma s. So option B to equal this, comma. So option C to equal this, comma. So option D to equal this, comma. Say comma, but I seem to forget to put the comma. And yeah, that should work. Update question set. I'm going to do this where ID is equal to ns. Here we're just going to add over here is the question ID. Which I guess we should pass on to the, yeah, good, cool. So now I've got over here this, but now we're going to use this to actually update over here our terrible questions that we inputted before, admin. Or also, what happens when we do this? Let's find out what happens when we do one of these questions. We do question 3 over here. So we're going to change the question. Let's go to the next. Yeah, let's change it to this. What's this? Oh, I didn't need to do that one. Oops. Waste my time there. C again. Okay. Let's see. It just does press continue. Okay. No. So keep on misclicking on that. Let's retry this. Here we go. It's been updated. Great. It's right there. So if you can't see that very well, I mean, I can't. Okay, I can't do anything about that. Okay, but there it is. It's right there. It's right there. Trust me, it's right there. So that worked fantastically well. Although it didn't return us the main menu or anything like that. Now we could do something about that. What we could do is we could just, where is it? It's in the display menu. What we could then just put this down as a while true. So then just put this under a while true. Let's see what happens when we next edit a question. 3, 2. So now 4 is the question we want to edit. To edit question 4, because this is kind of just gibberish. I'm not going to do that one. Not going to do that one. It's going to be quite difficult to actually have a question like that. Okay, what is an ID? An ID, a question, a term I use very often. Currently using the Visual Studio ID. So it'll return us back to the main menu. Fantastic. Now let's just query the database again. Boom, it's been updated. Last one. And then we'll end the video. Oh, results. Okay, let's do fundamental data structures now. Nah, let's do another one. Nah, let's do another one. Yeah, here we go. Interesting, that one didn't go to a new line. The rest did, didn't they? 2 bytes, 1 bit, 2 bits, 1 byte. Oh, C didn't do it. Okay. But that updated the question. That might have still updated the question. Yes, it did. Interesting, it still updated the question. Okay. Yeah, still did it. We may wish to add some exception handling. Not just validation. Not just exception handling, but some validation. Because it shouldn't really be doing that. Or 1 byte. Correct option was B. And if we actually go on to the question editor, boom. Excellent. What if we put a random number? Ah, it does that. Okay, so it may need to some data handling and stuff. Anyway, that'll be it for this video. In the next video, we will actually pursue is deleting, but we may also wish to actually is import some questions from a CSV file or something like that. So we may actually look into that and to actually importing questions instead of just typing them up, and then we may do deleting. We'll see. Anyway, if you want to watch any of those videos, it's best to actually subscribe so you get a notification of when I've uploaded that video, and it'll be on your subbox ready for you to watch. If you guys enjoyed this video, put a like and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Goodbye.